Hey everybody. This week, an important part of our lesson is going to be using a calculator. So I wanted to show you guys a good online calculator because I know not all of you have them at home. So this one is called desmos.com/scientific. So if you go to that website, you should see an online calculator. So I know we've used Desmos for graphing in the past, so now I just want to use it for a calculator. The reason this is better than your phone is because this one has a fraction button. So if I click this A over B button, that's going to give you a fraction, so you can set up like 8 plus 2 divided by 3, something like that. And then it'll give you the answer here immediately, and if you want to see that answer as a fraction, you can just click this icon, and it'll go back and forth between a decimal and a fraction. So this calculator also has other functions, so you can play around with it. You've got square roots. We've done a lot with square roots recently, so if you want to do like square root of 49, it tells you 7. And then if you want to store the things up above, you just hit enter and you can keep working and then see your other work as well. So for the next assignment, I want you to try out this calculator and try using the fraction button especially to see how to use it, so that'll help us for the rest of the lesson. So go give that a shot.